secondary metabolites which are developed by the biochemical or physiological reactions in the body. These secondary metabolites are stored and excrete outside. Means it secretes or excretes the metabolites which are in the form of the resins, nectars, essential oils, mucilage, latex. The secretory tissue system is categorized into two groups. One is the external secretory tissue system, and second one, that is the internal secretory tissue systems. First of all, we are going to say that is the external tissue system. It is categorized into again trichomes, glands, nectar, and hydrophore. External tissue systems are categorized further into trichomes, glands, nectar, and hydrophore. First of all, we are going to see the trichomes. These trichomes, these are the produced externally on the epidermis. It gives rise to hair-like structures. The trichomes, that is hair, glandular hair, we are going to see. Glandular hair. This glandular hair, it is a unicellular or multicellular 1 to 2 celled structure. It is a basal structure, that is a base known as the stalk, and it has the unicellular multicellular. The structure unicellular or multicellular 1 to 2 cell apical region is known as the head. This head. These are the substances which secretes the mucilaginous substances. These trichomes are found in the plants, that is the Solanaceae family. It is found in Atropla plant. In Lamiaceae family, it is found in Ocimum. Urticaceae family and Urtica. Means these plants which are found majorly, again it founds also before BSC family, Jatropha plant. These are the common plants which are the glandular hairs are produced. In an aerium, Apocynaceae family, in this aerium, the lower surface of the leaf having the glandular hair. This is a glandular slender part of the hair which secretes the mucilaginous substances. And these mucilaginous substances toward the lower surface of this aerium absorbs or receives the moisture from the particular area, and the lower surface always keep cool, and therefore these glandular hairs are help to check the transpiration. Transpiration, the loss of water in the form of the water vapors through the aerial parts of the plant body, is known as the transpiration. To check the water loss, because Nerium is a neuropathic plant, already water is poured inside the water plant body, therefore it helps to check in the water. Then we are going to say under this trichome, that is the second stinging hair. Stinging hair. This is stinging hair. The hair consists of skin irritating substances in the body. Skin irritating substances in the body. When this hair come in contact with the animals, it releases the calcified substances, and due to which this hair injected in the animals, and sensation of the in the muscles takes place. Sensation in the muscles takes place, and the irritation takes place. Irritation takes place. Due to the irritation, when the visitors, that is in a field area, in a forest, the animals are always the visitors. Or also human being also visit from this there. Meanwhile, the body which is exposed to the hairs, then irritation takes place. That is the muscle sensation takes place. Urtica is one of the plant. This urtica having a long glandular hair. This long glandular hair, that is a capillary tube-like structures. And this glandular hair at the base, calcified substances is stored. And at the tip, silicified substances is on the tip. These are having skin irritating poisonic substances. These calcified and silicified substances, they are the poisoning substances are there. When insect visits or animals or human being, when go through this, touching to this leaf of the plant, that time the pointed hair, that is the pointed tip, gets swells open with having the, and it punch to the human being, and silicified substances are injected in the muscles, and due to this muscles get sensation and skin irritation takes place. These trichomes are generally meant for the protective mechanism to protect the browsing animals. Why these hairs are developed? To protect the plant body from the browsing animals. Means stinging hair which stings, means it bites. While biting, silicified substances which are just beneath this pointed head, it swells open into the globular structure. It injects to the human body or animal body, and irritation takes place. And this irritation takes place in this Urtica plant. The special made to protect from this mechanism from the browsing animals takes place.